3. Best banks for student savings accounts. In this video, you're about to discover 3 standout student savings accounts that combine high interest, low fees, and account flexibility. These are designed for students and young adults who want to grow savings safely and effortlessly. Stay tuned, because the top pick might surprise you. Hi, this video is for informational and opinion purposes only. It is not financial or professional advice. 3. Synchrony High Yield Savings. Big interest without student labels. Although not strictly branded as a student account, the Synchrony High Yield Savings account is perfect for students thanks to its stellar rate, 0 monthly fees, and no minimum balance. In early 2025, it offered around a 3.80% annual percentage yield, APY, which is much higher than the national average. Interest compounds daily, so even small balances grow faster. People love its online convenience and no fees on withdrawals. As a fully digital bank account, it's available nationwide, and you can open it with any dollar amount. For a student transitioning into adult finances or anyone who wants solid savings growth, this is a simple, high value alternative. 2. 4-Leaf Federal Credit Union Student Savings. High APY focused on youth. Specifically built for teenagers and young adults under age 21, the 4-Leaf Student Savings Account offers up to a 5.00% APY on balances up to $1,000, with standard rates on amounts above that. It requires a minimal opening deposit, often just $5, and has no monthly maintenance fee. It's offered through a credit union widely accessible to students via membership. Users appreciate the long-term design. The account automatically converts to a regular savings once the account owner turns 21, making it a useful tool for both saving during school and continuing after graduation. 1. Spectra Credit Union Youth Savings. Truly unmatched APY for small savers. Topping the list is the Spectra Credit Union Youth Account, which stands out for offering a jaw-dropping 10.38% APY on the first $1,000. That means rapid growth for low balances, especially during your high school or college years. No minimum deposit is required, no monthly fees apply, and an ATM card is available for students aged 13 and older. Anyone across the US can join by paying a small, low-cost membership to a non-profit partner, making eligibility exceptionally broad. For students serious about maximizing savings early, this account delivers unmatched return on modest balances. Why these accounts work for students? Each of these options offers 3 vital student features. High APY with minimal barriers, all offer strong interest with 0 or very low minimums, no maintenance fees, eliminates the risk of your balance shrinking because of charges, easy enrollment and flexibility, online banking, minimal eligibility requirements, and credit union memberships that anyone can access. What experience real users highlight? Account holders often note how intuitive and accessible these options are. Many praise Spectra for the unmatched APY powering faster savings growth. Synchrony and 4-Leaf also earn approval for simple online sign-up, solid mobile tools, and no surprise fees. One Reddit discussion urged students to seek high-yield accounts over standard youth banking, pointing out that some online banks offer rates over 4%. Quick guidance. Which account fits your situation? If you have small savings and want maximum growth from day one, Spectra Youth Savings is a rare find. Want a student-specific account with good longevity and excellent APY up to a threshold? Choose 4-Leaf Student Savings. Prefer digital ease and broad access for any age with strong APY and no hassles? Go with Synchrony High Yield Savings. Tips to maximize student savings impact. Start with one of these accounts early. Even small contributions earn meaningful interest. Deposit $1,000 or less into Spectra to take full advantage of the highest rates. Use mobile banking tools to set recurring transfers and track your balance growth. Stay under any APY balance caps or consider splitting funds between Spectra and 4-Leaf if you exceed thresholds. Convert or reevaluate when eligibility changes. 4-Leaf transitions at 21, and Spectra's youth tier may change when you turn 18 or finish college. These 3 accounts represent the smartest picks for students in 2025 who want saving power, simplicity, and interest that actually matters. Whether you're building early financial habits or growing a nest egg for the future, you can't go wrong choosing one of these. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.